Hey guys, it's Ivan. Welcome to the coupon camp. Today we are going in Walgreens to do some cheap deals of the week, guys. And also we're going to do what I'm going to call rolling. I have about 11 or 12 bucks and that's all I'm using. So first we're going to pick up the Old Spice. Now, they are $6.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward. I'm trying to see, guys, because the way the camera is focusing in on me, okay? So let's scan that. Now, they are actually $5.79. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then you have a $6 coupon. But let's tap that coupon. Always hit learn more, guys. It's very important. It is $6 off 3, which is a high valued coupon, okay? You don't want to lose that. Make sure that your product is down in there, and there it is right there. Okay, so you want to make sure that's there. Now we're going to do the math. And also, guys, in here I forgot to take the 50% off the $5.79, so that's my fault. You guys know I'm so terrible with the calculator, so I actually added that wrong. But don't pay attention to that, because at the end you'll see the math of it. Okay, so it should have actually been lower than that. So just right now, you know, it's buy one, get one 50% off at $5.79. Plus, you get the $5 register reward. So you end up paying $2.12 for that, okay? So that is the first deal. That's the first thing we're going to grab. Now, we're going to go in a sequence, actually. Now, I'm going to go over here to the Oral-B. And I'm going to grab the $3 toothbrushes that's at $4.29. They're on sale for $3. And when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. We're up to $8 in register rewards now, which is great, guys, okay? So we're going to scan that. And when we scan, we see it is $3. And then you have a $3 coupon. Now, tap Learn More. When you learn more, you see that it is $3 off 2 products. Find your product down in there, and I had to go like super far down, guys, or there it is right there. Those are the ones. Sorry, I have the sniffles this morning. So once you find your product, and the reason why I go through this, guys, because people buy these products and they don't check and see if it's matching or not. You have to see if it's down in there, okay? So that's why I go through that with you guys. All right, now, so we're gonna do 2 is 6, and then we're going to take the $3 off 2, leaves you at 3, and then once we get our $3 register reward back, we will be at free, okay? So now that is how we're going to do that. You get a $3 register reward off of 2. It is plenty of them over there. You could choose between whatever you want to do. But we are going to roll. So stick with me and stay to the end. Because, yes, I paid 24 cents for 3 Arm & Hammers. Okay? So, I'm going to take these 3 Old Spices and use those along with it. Let's get to the Arm & Hammer. Now, the Arm & Hammer is on sale for buy one, get 2 free. I actually like the purple one. We're going to grab those. It's 14 count paws. That's your best deal. $8.49. Buy one at $7.49. Get 2 free. This is great for a stock up, especially if you have a kid going back to college. This is fantastic for that kid, okay? Just make sure that you know that that is the deal, okay? And it's great stock up. But, of course, we know this does not give us back any type of register rewards, okay? So when you see that, that's why. Now, I grabbed this Old Spice, the cucumber one right here. Watch when I turn it over. It is $3.79, but it was originally $14.99. If you grab 2 of those, let me scan it. I know the video is all out of sequence, guys. Trust me, it'll be in sequence next time. And this phone in here, I think I need rebooting since North Carolina. Okay, we're going to tap that Learn More, and look, you get 2 Old Spices for $7, making both of those completely free. I'm really just paying taxes on them. Actually, $7.58, and we're gonna take the 58. It's divided by 2. Look at that, 58 cents, 29 cents each. So that's a great deal. You can go ahead on and grab. Now, when you looking right here, I'm taking the $3 from the Oral-B and I'm gonna apply it to the Old Spice, okay? And then I grabbed 2 Niveas out of another store. They're the skin and firming and toning for 2 weeks it takes. Guys, trust me, it's great. It's $5.49, originally $21. So yes, I actually grabbed 2, but I'm going to grab the third one. They're originally $18.99. And you get $5. If I would have done it online, I did not do it online. I'm gonna try to see if it give me $5 Walgreens cash back, but I'm not gonna expect it back. Okay, I'm not gonna expect it back because paying $5 for these is a great price anyway. So I'm not gonna really even bother with thinking that I'm gonna get it back. But look at this, guy. So that's the lotion I need. That's $1.99. I gave away so many book bags with personal items in them for kids for school. Look, guys, we got to get our little drinky drink on. Now, these are originally barefoot. They're $5.99. They're on sale, guys, for $2.99. It's tons of them. So if you can get to a store, please get there and find it. They have the strawberry, which I love. I wish the blueberry was on sale. I think I'm going to keep going back and check. But I love to make these during the holiday. We make like the slushies out of them, us light drinkers in the family, and they work out fantastic. So that is why I'm going to grab as many as possible. Don't think I'm a drunk or alky. I do drink a little wine. And these should be cheaper at $2.99. I think they should be cheaper than that. So let's just see what's going on here, okay? I'm going to grab these. So I have a mini bar, and I want to actually decorate my mini bar with that, okay? So let's get to what's going on here. Let's look at the receipts, okay? So we have our Oral-B, and this is the coupon for the receipt. And remember, we got a $3 register reward back, making those completely free after you get your register reward back. So you pay 60 cents in taxes. Remember, Illinois taxes are extremely high, guys. So I took that and I added it on to this. Let's get the other receipt out for the Old Spice. Okay, so I took the $3 register reward and I rolled it into the Old Spice. See, there's the get one half off, so it was $3.24. Okay, I gave them the $3 register reward, then I used the $6 coupon, and I paid $7.22 out of pocket. Now, I could have used Walgreens cash, but I'm going to try to hold off with that for a minute right now and go to another one, okay? So I'm going to use the Walgreens cash on something else. Now, so we did roll and we took the $3, rolled it into the Old Spice. Now, Old Spice is going to give us a $5 register reward back. Okay, that is what you need to understand. We just taking our rewards and using them right then and there instead of letting them expire. Because I let mine expire. I'm so guilty again. Now, we also took the Arm & Hammer, which was $7.49. Buy one, get 2 free. And I rolled the $5 from the Old Spice. My subtotal came up to $2.49. And I used $3 in Walgreens cash. So I ended up paying 24 cents before taxes for this deal. So yes, I did pay 24 cents for the Arm & Hammer, guys. It was a great deal. I'm going to start doing a couple of rolling deals because I think it's much easier. But we ain't going to never forget, guys. Always look for our clearances. Always check online. I am trying to get those back situated correctly. Now, the wine was barefoot $2.69, actually not even $2.99. Remember, that's why I tell you to scan the orange tags. They're lower, and they charged me a 5% tax on them. And I did not get the $5 back for the Nivea, but I really wasn't expecting it. Okay, guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Go do it, guys, and start rolling these registry rewards. Bye.